from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Your chance to learn more about Henrico's Affordable Housing Trust Fund and how it could benefit you coming up early next month. And the General Assembly hits its crossover period. We'll tell you more about those stories and others in today's Henrico News Minute for Friday, February 20th, 2026. Some rain to get started today, but we're looking at a high of 71 later. The News Minute is brought to you today by Leah Brand and Company Candles.
And now for the news.
Well, if you'd like to learn more about Henrico County's Affordable Housing Initiative, you can get information about it and how to participate on an event Wednesday, March the 4th. Ready, Set, Close first-time buyer event is scheduled for 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Eastern Henrico Recreation Center at 1440 North Laburnum Avenue. It's free and open to the public. It'll be held as an open house, so you can come and go at any time. Prospective homebuyers will be able to meet with staff from the county's nonprofit partners, including the Partnership for Housing Affordability and a number of others, to discuss home ownership programs. You'll also be able to learn about homes that are available or soon will be through the Henrico Affordable Housing Trust Fund, a $60 million program the county put together several years ago to help reduce the cost of some homes that are built each year. It's available for first-time home buyers whose annual income falls below a certain level. Since the trust fund was established, 34 homes have been built with its support and purchased at a reduced price by qualifying first-time home buyers, and another 349 are approved for funding through the fund. Well, the Virginia General Assembly hit its crossover period earlier this week. That's the time when bills approved by one chamber move over to the other chamber for consideration. Right now on HenricoCitizen.com, you can learn more about which bills are still alive from our partners at Virginia Mercury. And when you visit our General Assembly section online, you'll find dozens of articles that we've featured so far this session. Check all of those out if you're interested in learning more about the legislature. Well, this weekend, the Henrico Theatre at 305 East 9 Mile Road in Highland Springs will show two movies. The Princess and the Frog will play at 3 p.m. both days, Saturday and Sunday, and The Butler will play at 7 p.m. on Saturday. Tickets are just $1 a piece, along with concessions available for the same price. For details, you can visit henricolive.com or call 804-652-1460. And a reminder that all month long on henricocitizen.com, we are spotlighting an important current or former black resident of Henrico County in honor of Black History Month. Yesterday, the spotlight was on Matthew James Robinson Sr., who is known as the father of Bungalow City, a 65-acre development he founded in 1920 off 9 Mile Road in eastern Henrico. Robinson also led the family's business, the Imperial Broom Company in Richmond, and was a longtime educator at Virginia Randolph High School. You can read more about him and all of the others we featured this month on our website. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Leah Brand and Company Candles, hand-poured in Richmond, Virginia. Discover clean-burning, vegan, eco-friendly candles with luxurious scents, perfect for any season. Don't miss out on their limited fall scents featuring glamping, drunken apple, and peppermint chip. Visit leahbrandcompany.com, that's Leabrand company.com, and light up your space naturally.